Now we're going to look at the Tauri case. Now it's going to be for our iPhone Pro Max 15. It's going to use to do the case. So let's take a look at it. So as you can see, the iPhone Pro Max on the back there. So nice packaging as well for actual a case cover. So let's go and take a look. So here we are there. Now look at that. Isn't that really, really nice? So here we've got the actual installation accessory kit on here. So there's the bumper you can see on there, accessories on there. And here we've got the back as well. So what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to go show you how to set this up and show you how effective this actually is in protecting your phone. So they've got an installation video there too. I can't show that for the video, which you can show, but there's also the instructions. Let's start by going through it. So we'll just do it live here on Mr. Yoo-Hoo. So let's start by using the cleaning cloth to clean it off, which is here. So you go. So there's a cleaning cloth just there, alcohol pad. So clean it off there, and then clean off here. I've also got like that, a dust absorber. This.